1. Assertion. Taxon and category are different things. Reason. Category shows hierarchy of classification. A. If both assertion and reason are correct and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. B. If both assertion and reason are correct but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. C. If the assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. D. If both assertion and reason are incorrect. The correct answer is A. 2. A two species consist of a population. A. Sharing the same needs. B. Interbreeding. C. Feeding over the same food. D. Reproductively isolated. The correct answer is D. 3. Which of the following is against the rules of ICVN? A. Handwritten scientific names should be underlined. B. Every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. C. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. The correct answer is D. 4. The label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on A. Date of collection. B. Name of collector. C. Local length. D. Height of the plant. The correct answer is D. 5. Choose the correct one. 1. Growth cannot be taken as a defining property of living organism. 2. Dead organism does not grow. 3. Reproduction cannot be an all-inclusive defining characteristic of living organism. 4. No non-living object is capable of replicating itself. 5. Metabolism is a test in a test tube is a non-living. 6. Metabolism is a defining feature of all living organisms. A. 1 and 3. B. All except 5. C. All except 3. D. All of these. The correct answer is B. In the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is correct in case of animals? A. Kingdom, class, phylum, family, order, genus, species. B. Kingdom, order, class, phylum, family, genus, species. C. Kingdom, order, phylum, class, family, genus, species. D. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. The correct answer is D. 7. Assertion. Systematics is a branch of biology that deals with classification of living organisms. Reason. The aim of classification is to group the organisms. A. If both assertion and reason are correct and the reason is correct explanation of the assertion. B. If both assertion and reason are correct but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. C. If the assertion is incorrect but reason is incorrect. D. If both assertion and reason are incorrect. The correct answer is B. ICBN stands for A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. B. International Congress of Biological Names. C. Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature. D. Indian Congress of Biological Names. The correct answer is A. 9. Which is a taxon? A. General. B. Family. C. Class. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. 10. The contrasting characteristic generally in a pair used for identification of animals in taxonomic key are referred to as A. Lead, B. Couplet, C. Doublet, D. Annelid. The correct answer is B.